Good morning, everyone. Day 6 of the NC500 road trip on my motorcycle, and we are at this place called Keys. We've checked out from this beautiful hotel called Sinclair Bay Hotel, and next to it is this beautiful port. This is the little port, and then there's a lighthouse. I don't know whether you can see that, but I've clipped some pictures using my zoom lens, and we are heading towards Inverness now. Are you ready, Mayuri?
Yes.
Okay. Right, let's go then.
Okay.
I'll see you on the roads. Bye. ये beautiful lighthouse देख आए यहाँ, and we've decided to stop. I don't know where the road leads. It looks like it's leading into the water straight, but I'm sure there is road there. Let's see. I don't know whether we can go here. Are we supposed to go here? I don't know. Oh my god, it looks scary. Wait. उतर जा. Actually walk till the end, okay? I have no idea how they've constructed this at the edge of this cliff, but it looks really nice. There is a chance, huh? Wow, whoa. हाँ यहाँ टर्निंग है इसलिए. Beautiful. We've got a lighthouse in Visakhapatnam too, but it's operated by naval base. This is a proper summer motorcycle ride, because when I was doing my background research to plan for this trip, everyone said the same thing. The weather is really unpredictable in Scotland, especially in the Highlands. But I think I've got the best weather throughout the trip. Every day it was either cloudy or sunny, and very rarely it rained. Probably I was in the rain for like not more than 2 hours in the entire trip. Yeah. So yeah, thanks to Surya Devata for this lovely sunshine. It's actually quite a big city, Inverness. Nice. The famous bridge connecting these little islands. Oh, it's too windy. See you again. So this is called the Caledonian Stadium. That's what it says on the board. And that's the bridge that we just came off. We've just finished our lunch at Edinburgh, It was a boring, long lunch, and we had to find for restaurants and places because most of them are closed due to COVID situation. And it's 4 o'clock now. We had a very late lunch and we are heading to Fort Augustus, which is 33 miles, 1 hour from here. And then we had to come back to the same place because we are staying here for tonight. So we could have checked in and gone there, but if we check in, we'll become lazy. So I'll see you on the route. Bye bye. On our left is the Loch Ness. It's one of the freshwater loch in Highlands, Scotland. And these tales of monsters, there are tales that there are monsters in this loch. I don't know how true are these, but that's the Loch Ness on the left. Well, we've reached Fort Augustus, and yeah, we'll go around the city, see what's in there, and then head back to Inverness again. I've no idea what's famous here. Cruises hai, yeah. Visited Fort Augustus, which is the gateway for Loch Ness, and now we're heading to Inverness back again for our hotel. We are at a place called Foyers, which is on the way to Inverness on the south side of Loch Ness. It's got lots of trees like these and it looks very beautiful. We're looking for a place to have a coffee and then proceed towards Inverness. Good morning. Day 7 and we are close to Inverness, where this beautiful little restaurant come pub, come rooms, come bar. It's called the Star Inn and established in 1849. Done with the packing. We are going now to a point called Dolphin's Point, and literally this is our room, where you can see the windows in front of me. Okay, we went to the Dolphins viewpoint, but there were loads of people and I couldn't get a sight of any dolphins over there. Don't want to waste time, so riding towards Petrol Lockery via Aviemore. So it's again fun-filled roads. This is the room that we have stayed. Heading towards a petrol station to fill up fuel, and then yeah, you can see dolphins over here, dolphin statues. We have to wait for a long time to have a look at these dolphins, but we don't have time now. It's already 11:04 and we are running late. That's okay because we've got less miles to cover today, and the final destination is Edinburgh, and we're going to stay for a day at Edinburgh to celebrate my birthday, which is tomorrow, 22nd of August.
best friend.
We are in Edinburgh now, Scotland. And this is the famous Prince Street.